Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add friends in Among Us. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up the game. Now go to the top right, tap on or click on friends right here. After once done, you'll have these tabs, okay? So we're going to go through recently played with. So for example, you already have played some games here under Among Us. Okay, you'll be able to see all of your recently played players right here. Okay, you can just go ahead and hover over their name, click on it, or just click on the add icon. Now, right here under friends list, you could just go ahead and add a friend via code. Enter their code right here. And then once done, go ahead and click on the plus sign. Now, if you don't know where the code is, you can just go ahead over and check it out right here under your My Account, and then friend code right here, okay? You can just go ahead and click on the eye icon, and this friend code right here will be added. So let's go back to friends list. Again, type the code in here, or your friend's code, and just click on the plus sign. Also, when you go ahead and block a friend, you'll be able to see it right here. And that is it. That is how you add friends in Among Us. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.